Good morning, new Cardinals who are in Miss Wall's World History block for the fall semester 2020. I have this up for you today because I would like to show you how to navigate your Canvas course. There's a website that I'm going to add to your homepage, and as you can see, I've changed it. But there's a website called cms.instructure.com. I'm going to write that down. Um, and it'll be on this homepage. But it will let you into Canvas if Canvas knocks you out. You would just type in that URL and then you would click on sign in with Google, and then that will get you into Canvas. Once you're in Canvas, down at the bottom is going to be links to teacher information, Canvas navigation, support, and don't worry right now about digital citizenship, and don't worry about grading right now. What I do want you to do is look at live lessons. So I'm clicking that link. Since there has been so many problems with attending my sessions, I'm going to try this today. I have already left it as an assignment, but if you can't do it through assignment, please just try to click the link for the appropriate class that you are in. I'm going to try this out today. If it doesn't work, then we'll try something different. But remember, I told you to be patient with everybody because we're all learning at the same time. It's like we're all new teachers. But if I click this link for block one, for me, it's going to open no matter what because I'm the one that scheduled the meeting. It's not going to open for you though until we are at the time that your first block class happens. If you go to assignments, like if you don't like that structure, when you go to assignments, it's still going to be there for you. So first block has theirs, third block, and fourth block. This will pop up on the student view if you ever get the chance to go that route. If I click this button, this pops up. I just go up here to where it says join Google Meet, and I click that button and it will let me into the class. I sincerely hope that this works. Hope everything will be okay. I look forward to seeing you all today, and let's try it. Fingers crossed. I think it's going to work this time.